I got a requirement from Dubai police. They called me and they said, okay, do you have 3D printers? I said, yes. They, what's your quantity? What's your production capacity? I said, what is it regarding Dubai police and 3D printing? They said, we need face shields. We want to give away to the doctors and nurses. It's very in high demand. If we order from Europe, the ones they're making, it's going to take long. So we want to go for local manufacturer.
How many pieces are like this?
3D printing is robust. Let's say for children, they need a smaller one. For doctors, for the nurses, they need a full 180 degrees. Every different industry and every different application has a different requirement. For example, for the construction workers, now they need a lightest weight because they need something to cover their whole face. And when it comes to nurses, we go for the ones that can be sterilizable.